amazing Minecrafters, and I said that because you can probably tell. It is part 2. Really? It's part 2 of my Minecraft showcase. And I've got on a new skin. It's a YouTuber skin since I'm a YouTuber. But only 33 subscribers. My blind's broke. Again. So guys, if you hear something like that, like sound effects from a game, that is my brother playing. What game are you playing?
The motorbike game.
Oh yeah, motorbike. Or stay tuned for my brother's videos setup thingy, where he's gonna start his own playlist and series for my channel because he's not old enough to get a YouTube channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and get onto the world. Here.
Down to the part.
Okay. So I'm now here, and you can obviously tell there is previous videos one, and I obviously have the city texture pack on. So with this, guys, you might want to write down things that you need. So what you want to need is redstone, of course, levers. No redstone repeaters this time, but you would need redstone torch, and 2 blocks. I think which are the best ones is stone bricks and oak wood. Like oak wood, you know. You'll probably see when I build. And that's not it. Wait, is that it? Oh yeah, and an iron door. So I'm going to be showing you how to make a combination lock. So let's get started. So when you've gotten everything that you need, you need to do this. You need to build a door frame for the door. And if I knew how to record on a screen, or if I had Minecraft on the computer, I would record on how to do it on Minecraft computer. Why are you looking at me, Saxon? So what you want to do is build a door frame like that. Recording. Wait, no, don't. Okay, and once you've done that, you can build another block of that. If I can get it in the right place.
Oh man.
Like this. I think my game's just lagging. What now, Saxon?
Don't worry.
False alarm?
No.
Okay, just let me build Sonic.
What?
Quickly.
What?
So once you're done, you're gonna build something like that.
I'm Minecraft.
Okay. Do you wanna join me, Sax?
Yeah, I'm coming on your world.
Yeah,
Saxon.
Yeah, my brother's gonna join me, so you just be prepared. So once you've done that, you're gonna build another stone bricks or whatever block you have on top of that, or break the wood or whatever block.
So where are you?
I'm not sure. Are you even on the world yet?
I'm on the world.
Oh, you're probably on your world.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna keep it in the video and see what's going on with my brother. I have sorted stuff out. My brother's right there. Sax, look at my skin. Sax, look at my skin. That's my brother right there. Sax, turn around. That's my brother there.
Is that me there?
Yeah, that's you. So let's get back. So once you've done that, you're gonna do that. Put another block on a layer on top. So and wait, have I made a combination lock before for you guys? No, I haven't. I've just built it so many times. I probably just thought I was recording. So you go around the back and you build 2 blocks
out.
out.
Can I wall for you?
No walls.
No, around it.
Okay, 2 blocks out like that, and then you get a redstone torch, and you put the redstone torch on all of them. So I'm just going to show you the easiest way to do it. So you do redstone torch like that. Then I did the same on the bottom like that. And once you've done that, you're going to get redstone and put it like that. Wait. like that, and on the bottom the same one if you do the same thing on the bottom. And then once you've done that, you're gonna get your cobblestone brick out again, and you're gonna do this. Connect all the redstone up like so, and then while you're doing that, you're gonna dig out like this, and you're gonna get so you're gonna dig out like that, and you're gonna put redstone like that, and then on the other side in the door, then you're gonna put stone there, and I don't know if you can see there's a redstone torch that's turned off, but when you put in the passcode, the redstone torch turns on, which opens the door. So I'll show you right now. So you can get signs, and you can number the the levers if you want, or letter code them, like, so you can do that, and then you put in the passcode, which I'm going to do right now. So I put my passcode as wrong place. No, it's just hard doing it like this. Okay. So you can see I open the door, then because I put down the passcode once, and then I put them back up, or at least put one back up, and it closes back together.
Down for you.
Okay. And then they close back together. So that is how you create your own combination lock on Minecraft PE, and it works on any device, like an Xbox, computer, phone, like you saw today. It is amazing, because that's why I like it. That's why I like it. I don't know if you can hear that. What is that?
That's me.
Oh, that's you? What are you doing?
Placing dirt blocks.
Oh, my brother's just placing dirt blocks all over the place.
No, I'm making a bench.
Okay, so I'm going to end the video here, and I'm going to go ahead and play with my brother on Minecraft. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Good.